Hello pilots, and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Pilot Videos. My name is Doug, and today we're going to look at the Deluxe Learn to Fly course kit. Our award-winning Learn to Fly course is absolutely amazing, and students around the world are using this course to help them in their journey learning how to fly. But there's some other items you might want to add on to the plethora of things you need for flight training. The CFIs here at Sporty's came up with this great list of items that they think most students should have. The first thing you're going to need is a bag, and our kit comes with our most popular student pilot bag. This is the Crosswind flight bag. It's perfect for the pilot who's just learning how to fly because it has a spot for your headset, logbook, and then all the books that go on the inside of this main compartment here. Speaking of books, there's quite a few in this kit. The FAR AIM, often referred to as the Aviation Bible, is included. And then you have some FAA textbooks. The most popular is the Pilot's Handbook of Aeronautical Knowledge and the Airplane Flying Handbook. And then you have this test supplement. When you're doing practice tests, you're going to need the figures and other things that are used during that testing process, and all those figures and maps can be found inside of here. Every pilot has to have a logbook, and this will be your first pilot's log and record. It has 112 pages and lots of room for you to log all the training flights as well as your first few years of flying. When you're taking that FAA test, you're not allowed to bring your phone or other materials with you, but you are allowed to bring Sporty's electronic E6B into the test center with you. And this calculator is really great because it can do a lot of the aviation calculations and conversions for you. And that's included in this kit. Learning how to read an aeronautical chart is very important. And we have a plotter to help you on that journey of marking and planning dead reckoning flights. Every pilot has to have a fuel tester, and this is used to test your fuel before you take off in a small airplane. Even private pilots are required to do some hood time. And what hood time means is you have to block out external references and fly only on the gauges of your aircraft. These are IFR training glasses, and this completes that task of blocking out the external part of the cockpit and only allowing you to focus on the gauges inside. This Deluxe course kit includes all these items as well as that award-winning Learn to Fly course. By utilizing all these resources, you're going to have the best chance of success in your flight training. You can find this online at sportys.com.